So what's up everyone? Today I want to talk about a recent method that I've been using during photo shoots to help keep me focused and prevent me from blanking out. I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to set things up. And just as a disclaimer, it does require the use of an iPad or a similar device. So if you've been enjoying our content so far, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot and it'll help this channel grow. So with that being said, let's get into it. So before I get into it, let's talk about why you'd even need to do this. Have you ever been with a client and then suddenly all the plans you've had simply just leave your head? So you start to stumble a little bit and it takes a couple minutes to get back on track? Yeah, it's happened to pretty much every single photographer I know. And I know there are some superstars out there that this doesn't happen to, but for the majority of us, it's incredibly frustrating. And as I've mentioned in a previous video that you can check out right here, I plan for everything meticulously and it still happens to me. Now, I have a little workaround for this particular problem. It involves using an iPad to essentially pause the photo shoot, review my plan, and simultaneously look at any poses and then kick things right back into motion. So let's check it out. So I create this plan in Notion, and from there I export it as a PDF and then place it on my iPad. I go to the split view and have all these photos as a reference just in case I start to blank. And I actually leave the screen to my iPad on the entire time. So it's relatively quick and it's very easy to set up. And this can just be your assistant for the day if you don't have an assistant to sort of keep you in check, or you just continue to forget. And the reason why I like to bring the iPad is because I personally don't like whipping out my cell phone during a photo shoot. I feel like it's slightly unprofessional, but iPads just look more professional during a photo shoot. And I keep on saying iPad, but you could honestly use any tablet. So yeah, give it a try and see exactly what fits your style best. As I said, it's quick, easy, and keeps you organized during the shoot, almost like an assistant would. And I would love to hear some of the tricks you all use to keep you on track during a photo shoot. And if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you haven't by now, please hit that like and subscribe button for more upcoming content. As I said before, it would mean the world to our business. So with that being said, get out there and have an awesome day. And until next time, peace.